If you have hail damage to your vehicle and need to make an insurance claim, who do you trust with the repair? American Dent Specialists has been doing hail damage repairs in Houston, Texas for 24 years. We are Houston's #1 rated dent repair shop and winner of Houston Chronicle's Best of the Best award. And when it comes to the complete and total restoration of your vehicle's hail damage, we are the local body shop KHOU turns to when a major storm hits our area. They turn to American Dent Specialists to show Houston what to do after a hail event. If you're still dealing with hail damage caused by a hail event and you haven't done anything with it because of the busyness of life, or maybe because you don't even know where to start, give us a call or click the button here. We can help walk you through the process of getting your vehicle restored from beginning to end. We work on all makes and models and directly with insurance companies. The only cost you need to worry about is your deductible. Getting your vehicle restored isn't something you need to stress about. You have up to 2 years to file an insurance claim, and an insurance claim for hail damage won't raise your rates since it is considered a no-fault claim in most cases. American Dent Specialists has been fixing hail damage in Houston, Texas for over 24 years. We are locally owned and operated, family owned, and our expert paintless dent repair technicians are here to help you put things back together after a storm. American Dent Specialists goes further than any other dent and body shop in Houston, Texas, and makes the process of getting your vehicle restored as simple as possible. So put us to the test and find out why thousands of Houstonians have trusted us with their vehicle's repairs. Tap the button here and let us show you how easy it can be to get your hail damage repaired.